Hey guys, we're going to show you today how you can wash your car at one of these self-serve car washes if you don't have access to water or you're in a pinch. All right guys, I'm going to show you how to do this as fast as possible. Now realize I just had knee surgery, so you should be able to do this a little bit faster than me, and you'll want to do it fast because a lot of these places don't want you hand washing your vehicle here. We have American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, we got a bucket with a grit guard, and then I got some various towels over here. Now I brought 2 of each just in case you drop it on the ground. I got some drying towels, I got 2 sponges, and I got 2 towels to dry my wheels. You don't necessarily need all this stuff, but I brought 2 of it just in case. I'm gonna be adding up the cost of all this stuff to show you in the video later on. You should be able to do this in about 20 minutes, 22 minutes. Faster if you didn't have knee surgery, and faster if you don't want to get into every nook and cranny. If you want to spray it down with American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, you'll find that a lot of that dirt comes off almost like a touchless car wash, all right? So that all-purpose cleaner is great for getting rid of grime. But you see how we were able to do it. No issue here, just a couple modifications, and of course, always better if you could do it at home, but not everybody has that option. So while this may be an imperfect method, and I'm sure all the internet trolls have 100 other methods they'd rather do, this will work for you. Thanks for checking it out.